What keeps us going? What energizes us, revitalizes us, and breathes life into ordinary moments? In a world where there's always something to do, a new responsibility to handle, a new problem to solve, how do you stay grounded? Staying grounded is about making the most of the moments you love. Appreciating the little things that remind you to enjoy life along the way. Life isn't meant to be rushed, and your coffee isn't meant to be hurried. It gives meaning to everyday experiences and fuels you through those stressful moments. That first sip always serves as a reset button. One that makes every situation better, every interaction lighter, and every moment yours. When everything in your life fails, your coffee never should. And with us by your side, we promise it never will.